This is a GCS News Break.
The rookie robotics team at Kearns Academy has learned a thing or two about building robots. The Spiffy Sables use the school's artificial intelligence lab to assemble and program them. Micah Edwards has a big job. He builds the robot the team uses in tournaments.
Everything had to be very precise. So with that, precision, I was like, I'm ready for the challenge. With my partner, I was just ready to, do something I've always wanted to do.
In those competitions, it's not all about building the robot. Each student has a specific job to do, like a business.
We are dividing the tasks according to the rules of the tournament that requires to have like a design department, a marketing department, programmers, people who designs the robot.
Carson Connolly works on web design as a part of the team's marketing department. He and his classmates work on making the team's logo and finding sponsors.
We have revenue coming in from, we sell like concessions to our peers. We have like marketing, and so while we have robotics and programmers, we also have like other stuff that we can apply to the real world.
Being on the team introduces students to the STEM industry, helps them build relationships, and a foundation to pursue robotics in the future.
Technology is changing every day, every second. So it is necessary to prepare the kids for this 21st century challenge. So kids are leaving the school with knowledge of programming, applying technology like robotics, artificial intelligence.
It's encouraging to me because I can, go maybe 10 years from now and be like, I know half of the stuff that, I'm learning now, and, maybe make money off of it, maybe have a successful career. So yeah, robotics is just an awesome opportunity, and anyone can honestly do it.
This has been a GCS News Break.